so I took it off. I trimmed up the side, or like, yeah, I pretty much cleaned up the sides real quick. So we got those sides. So I gotta lay some more fiberglass on here and here. I'm gonna also put it along this side here because it's kind of like bowed in. So we'll fill that as well. And then hopefully we'll be good. Hopefully we'll be done fiberglassing, and then we'll be able to just do some fiberglass Bondo, and then it should be pretty close to being done. Other than we gotta fiberglass in the mesh and all that when I get that. So, but yeah, let's get that done. Okay, well, we got it roughed in. This stuff wasn't sticking very well. I must not have sanded it down enough. So I'll probably just end up doing Bondo because it's Bondo glass. It's got fiberglass in it. It should do good for. It should do fine for that. So yeah, now I'm going to put down a layer on this side, just like pretty much skim the whole thing and try and do a little build up here. We'll skim the whole top, and then I didn't do the other side, so we're just gonna work on this side, and then we'll go to the other side. So let's do that. All right, so we got it on there. I wasn't able to get as far as I wanted. I accidentally must have put too much hardener in. Yeah, well, when I squeezed the tube, it came out way faster than I expected. So yeah, I kind of screwed myself on that one. But yeah, because it started hardening up before I could even spread it on the top. So yeah, we'll wait for this to dry, and then we'll sand it. So let's wait for it to dry, which it's already dry because, like I said, I put too much hardener in. So usually you want to do like a golf ball size with like a 1-inch line across the top. So, but yeah, let's sand this now. Alright, so got it on there. Kind of gooped it up here. We'll sand all that off. But yeah, so there it is. I did like a swipe on this. I ran out to do the rest, but then we got this whole thing swiped, and then a little bit more build up here. And we also did on the inside. So, but yeah, slowly but surely. Alright, we got that side, and we got this side. So now we just give it a little bit. Once it starts to harden up, then you want to sand it. Because you want to sand it before it fully cures, because it's a lot harder to sand once it's fully cured. So once it's hardening up and it's not tacky no more, then you should be good to go ahead and start sanding. So yeah, there's that so far. Alright guys, so here we are. So that's pretty kind of flattened. This is kind of flattened. I haven't really played with this one too much. I've sanded it, but so I sanded this back down, and then I sanded this. So we got to put some Bondo in here. This side's pretty good. This is pretty alright. I'll probably still skim it anyhow. I'm trying to figure out what my plan is for, like, look-wise for these fins. So that's kind of a hard problem too I'm having right now too, is just trying to figure out how I want it to look. Plus trying to match them is kind of interesting. They're close. I mean, it's going to be so close that you won't really be able to tell, I'm imagining. So that'll be good, but still want to try and get them as close as possible. So time to put down some more of the Bondo, and then I think once these are done, I'm going to bolt it back in, and we'll probably clean off everything, freshen up this tape, get some fresh tape under there, put this back on, and then we will go ahead and I'll run some Bondo across the bottom, so that way it's like a flat, you know, seal. Yeah, and then it's pretty much close. Then I'll probably hit it with some of the sandable filler primer, so that we can get it all in one color. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So let's see how far I go. But I don't know if I'm all gonna get all that done today, so we'll see what happens. All right, I just wiped it down with some isopropyl, and I'm going to spray some 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. So we're gonna spray this whole bottom side, and then wait for that to dry. Then we'll flip it over. We'll do the outside. So let's get this sprayed. All right, got a layer on. That's pretty much all I'll put on there. Once we're all done, if I have any leftover Bondo, I'll probably do this underside too. Not like you'll see it, but I might do it. So especially like clean up the sides and stuff. Shouldn't be able to see it, but miles will make it look pretty. Yeah, so wait for this to dry, flip it over, we'll do the other side. So let's wait. All right, so got that painted, and I just hooked up the shop vac and tried to like spray out all the dust. So I got the fan blown out, so got most of the dust cleaned up. So there's still some, but you know, I'll have to take the razor blade to this and clean up all that crap. It's not a big deal. I did the same thing last year. But yeah, so now I'm probably gonna pull off these and lay down some fresh tape, and then yeah, then we'll install the roof scoop again, and then that'll probably be it for this one. So let's do that. All right, guys. So there it is. It's not bolted on. It's just sitting in there. I didn't put down the tape just because I want to see what it looks like. Yeah, I sanded this. I finished getting the white that I shouldn't have put on in the first place. But yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Obviously, got a ways to go. I got a little carried away, but with like adding some more to reshape it. But I think it should look sweet. Try and manipulate my stuff around here. Yeah, that should look pretty cool. Then once you got some mesh in there, it'll look real nice. Because well, I mean, it should look pretty much the same as what you can see here, but then you won't be able to see in all that stuff. So yeah, and view from the back here. Yeah, this thing looks pretty neat. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.